I called you. My favorite meal in this cold weather is breakfast. Oh, you can see your breath. Hey, hello there. Welcome to Don't Stop Beliefin', where we don't stop beliefin' that we can learn from the smallest things in life. Frozen plants? I'm your host, Dr. Plant. That's right, Aloysius Artemisius Alfonso Plant. I have a PhD in all things flowery. We're going to be taking a look at ourselves as seeds today. So small, so weak, always stuck in my teeth. Hey, are we looking at the everything bagel today? Why do we call them everything bagels anyways? Wait, I've got a great idea. Bienvenue everyone, I am Chef Jean-Jacques Francois-Jacques Jean, and we will be talking about the conspiracy of the everything bagel. Now before we begin, I have a chef pun for you, prepare yourself. But I wouldn't be very nice. Canceled after one season. Had so much potential and promise. Anyways, today we're looking at seeds, and I have been encouraged to change my perspective on seeds instead of seeing them as so small and weak and always stuck in my teeth to actually having so much potential and purpose, just like us. See, every seed has this coat on it, and it's called the seed coat. This is like the outer covering of the seed. Before the seed can begin to sprout roots and grow into something beautiful and amazing, it must first shed its coat. Now, when the seed sheds its outer layer of coating, it can truly grow into its purpose, what it was created to be. Just like an apple grows into an apple tree, a pear grows into a pear tree, a mustard seed grows into a jar of mustard, and an avocado seed grows into a bowl of guacamole. Still don't know where the bowl comes from, or how an everything bagel seed grows into a bagel of lies. Sorry, the everything bagel just has so much potential with a name like Everything Bagel. And people in the Old Testament, they had so much potential, but they could never really reach their full potential or purpose. It was hard for every single person to reach their full potential with God while there was blockage and limitation in some way. This reminds me of our seed. It cannot reach its full potential until it sheds that coating. Then it's able to sprout. See, when the death and resurrection of Jesus happened, it tore the veil that limited us. Our seed couldn't reach its full potential until it sheds its casing. When the death and resurrection of Jesus tore the veil that limited us in some way, it was like the coat was being broken and taken off. So let us come boldly to the throne of our gracious God, says Hebrews 4:16. Now, there are no limits to God, and prayer is our access. As we talk to God and listen to what He is speaking, we learn more and more about Him. Just like after the seed sheds the coat, as we pray and learn more about God, we begin to sprout and grow into everything God has made us to be.
Yeah!